Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create simple character animation using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all we need to go to the apps menu in Canva. You can click on this apps and then you're going to search for this apps character builder. Just type in the character builder in the search menu and you can choose this feature. Okay, and here we can customize the character that we want. We can customize the head, the face, body, skin tone, and hair color. And for the head, I'm just going to choose wait, I'm going to see all. For the head, I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, and then for the face, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and for the body, I'm just going to choose this one, right? And then I'm going to go back and customize the skin tone. For the skin tone, I'm going to choose this one, and for the hair color, I'm going to select brown. Okay, now it's done guys, and this is the character we have just created together. And you can animate this character if you want. Just go to the animate, then you can click on create an animation, and then you can select and drag an element around the canvas to create your animation, just like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create simple character animation in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.